Technology represents the powerful tools that the learner can use to facilitate his or her own learning process. The pre-service teacher technology competencies identify areas of proficiency for teachers to effectively use technology resources to create the conditions that optimize learning. Teachers need knowledge of the basic technology equipment operations and concepts, technology resources and tools for information literacy, and technology resources and tools for content areas. More information on this can be found in the Technology as Facilitator of Quality Education model. The class is developing a CD-ROM project about the city of Manson, Iowa. The CD-ROM will contain a virtual tour of Manson, interviews with residents, facts about the city, and information about the city's history. The teacher demonstrates technology competency number 13, the use of multimedia presentation software. He shows knowledge of a wide range of multimedia tools. The students must use a digital video editor system as they design a virtual tour of Manson. This software allows the students to combine digital video footage with audio tracks.
We want to finalize this project with the video and the audio portion of it. Those two types of files have to be inserted into your slides yet. So, there's two things you got to do with that. Of course, you got to capture your audio or video, and then you got to edit it. But then you also got to get it back into your slide and make it work within that slide. Get your animation figured out. Now, remember, go ahead and get it set in your slide the way you want it to work. In other words, probably 1 second after the last object that comes in.
The students must also use PowerPoint presentation software to incorporate information and pictures of the town into their CD-ROM. The teacher also demonstrates technology competency number 1, the ability to operate a computer system. The teacher explains to the students how to organize their video and audio files for their CD-ROM project. He also explains how to upload and insert files into the presentation.
You've got these folders here, and this is inside the Manson project folder. Inside Movie, Sounds, and Edited. That is where we want you to save. Like Whaley and Burke right now are finishing up their editing their video. They're going, once they get it done and export it out in the way they want it, they're going to put that file inside this folder. And they'll call it whatever. Call it Tornado Series or something like that. And then that way I know when we get done with this whole project where all the video editing is done, where all the interviews are done. We can keep those separate from everything else.
As part of their project, the students have to videotape their town to highlight its attractions and demonstrate how it has changed over its history. The teacher displays technology competency number 4, equipment operation. The students are videotaping some attractions of Manson. They are using the digital camcorder and digital camera to capture pictures and footage that will later be included in their CD-ROM project. The teacher provides instruction and supervision as the students use the equipment.
Now what you want to do is you want to pan view this side of the street all the way up to the end there, and as you're doing that, then go ahead and zoom in a little bit as you get down to the Pizza Ranch there.
So and then be all the way out.
Right. Take it all the way out.
Okay.
Try to get the titles of the stores up above the signs. Okay, that's good. Remember all the time that we can always stop and edit, take frames out that aren't any good.